Right, today we're going to look at drum recording, which is probably one of the trickiest areas of any recording session. And we're going to start with the really basic drum setups and tunings. Start off with really basic mic setups, moving on to slightly more complicated mic setups, right through until to a full drum kit mic up. We're going to look at different mic setups in different rooms and how those setups affect the sound of the drums and how the environment you play drums in also affects the sound of the kit. But the thing is with any drum recording is you need to start off with the actual kit itself sounding right. And it would seem like a really obvious starting point, but it's where a lot of drum recording goes wrong. So what I'm going to do first today is just look at some basic drum tunings. I mean, everybody has their own way of tuning drums, but what I'm going to show is some basic techniques you can apply to any drum kit, and it's actually quite simple to do. This is a pretty basic setup here, just snare, kick, 2 toms, 3 cymbals, hi-hats, which is pretty much your standard recording kit. You can add extra toms or extra kick drums, but this is pretty much the basic setup you're going to start with on any recording session. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a snare drum because it's one of the more tricky ones to work on, but it's obviously a really important part of any session. So kick, snare and hi is your fundamental building block for any drum sound.